Hey, what's up everybody? It's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by giving a big shout out to Nova CBD for sending me some CBD goodies to try. I haven't been trying CBD for a bit, and I've actually wanted to because my lower back's been hurting me and I wanted to have some relief, so this could not have come at a better time. Thank you so much for this. I am super excited. Also, I checked out their website. They have awesome stuff. They have pretty good stuff. They have anywhere from CBD tinctures and oils, CBD gummies, CBD topicals. See, my brother, he does baseball, so he plays baseball. He has like 2 jars of CBD topicals from specifically where, I do not know. I just know I saw it, and he works as a coach for pitching, so I don't know, he deals with like a lot of muscle pains and everything, so I'm pretty sure that works. I never tried the topicals before. So they have that. They have CBD bath bombs. I've never heard of that before. I've never tried CBD bath bombs, and I love bath bombs, by the way. Yeah, so they got the gummies. I love the gummies. I love the gummies. I think I'm gonna order some soon. And they even got CBD for pets. Pets, I tell you, pets. I love my pets. I love pets, and they need relief too. They need to chill. They need something. They have CBDs for them. CBD stuff, you know what I'm saying? And they have gift sets, so if you want to give a gift, any type of gift, hello gift, goodbye gift, thank you gift, any type of gift, they got the gift sets over there. It's a nice package gift set you can give to somebody. So go check that out. The link is in the description box below, nvcbd.com. They sent me a couple of goodies and we're gonna check it out together. Comes in this nice black bubble wrap envelope. And here it is. Nova CBD. Nice. Alright, so we got here 2 items. They sent me the Nova CBD Premium CBD Tincture. I still have trouble saying tincture. Tincture. I think that's how you say it. I got the strawberry watermelon. What? Boy, strawberry watermelon, 500 mg. 500 mg. Shake well before each use. Half dropper twice a day. 1 in the morning and once 30 minutes prior to bed. That's interesting. I don't know when is this supposed to kick in, but you know what? I'm gonna try this first and then just see what happens. And they gave me the Nova CBD face masks. Wow, face masks. And I love my face masks too. So I never tried this before. I never tried a CBD face mask. So this is cool. 3 face masks. It's 10 milligrams per mask. So there's 30 milligrams. Premium CBD face mask. Whoa. So it says the Nova CBD face mask combines full plant extract, CBD, and several organic ingredients to hydrate, nourish, and protect the face against the elements of day-to-day life. Plant extract. There's no THC in here. Aw, man. GMO free. That's good. So it says to thoroughly cleanse the face. I did that. Wait, before I continue with that, let me try the tincture. And that's how I'm gonna say it. So it looks like this. A nice, beautiful bottle. It's clear. I love that it's clear. You can see the natural color of the oil. Because the other tincture I tried, which was good, by the way, it didn't have a clear jar like this. It's like a matte jar. It's really nice. So that's what it's looking like. So it says shake it. It says shake it. Slither. Directions before use. Like I said, shake well before each use. A half dropper twice a day. Once in the morning, a half dropper, and one 30 minutes before bed. I'm not going to bed anytime soon because I gotta work on stuff on the computer. So I'm just gonna take it now. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't I don't crash from this, but let's see. Got my hustle juice going on. This is my apple cider vinegar and water. to help me with my you know, to like burn fat, and just it's healthy to drink it anyways, but I'm using it for different reasons. So I shook it really well, and now I'm going to, oh look, it even has I don't know if you can see, it has what's that, measurements, okay, yeah. So a full one, it would be 1.0 ml. I like that it has measurements on it because it's very helpful, so you don't overdose like I thought I did the other time because I'm weird. So this is exactly 0.5, can't even talk, 0.50 milliliters. So it doesn't say to put under the tongue or anything, and I'm, you know, let me just put it under my tongue just because. This is very good. I still have the earthy taste of the CBD, but it has this light flavor of a perfect strawberry watermelon. It does not taste artificial at all. It says it's essential oil, strawberry essential oil and watermelon essential oil. Like, you know how when it tastes artificial, it don't even taste like strawberry, it tastes like some weird, like, you know what I'm talking about. This tastes really good because I'm the type to eat like coconut oil, so I can taste the fine-tuned details in the oil itself. And a stevia extract. Premium hemp seed oil, propriety blend hemp extract oil. I felt like it hit me like that just now. I don't know how long it was. I should have did a timer, but let's just say it's been 30 seconds since I was talking. Okay, it's 6:50 p.m. right now. Like, I just felt like it's like a subtle wave of like something just changes. It's, I don't know. Yeah, I felt this in literally, I gotta say, like maybe 30 seconds. Under a minute, definitely. Over 30 seconds and under a minute. So like 30 seconds to a minute, like this thing kicks in, and I only took half. And I feel chill. This is super, like, it's not making me feel weird. I'm so like stunned of how fast this worked. I was just talking and then I just felt it like, choo. Okay, what time is it? How long has it been? 6:52, so it's been 2 minutes. Let's say 2 minutes. And the blanket sensation has come over me. The blanket sensation. I just feel like there's a invisible blanket over me. This thing worked super fast. 500 milligrams. Wow. I'm chill. The blanket has gone over. That's my signal of just like, the blanket has gone over. This just feels like my whole body's being hugged by a blanket, an invisible blanket. 30 seconds to a minute, I felt it kicking in. 2 minutes, the blanket sensation came over me, and I just feel like cozy. I don't know, like, shoo, shoo, blanket. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. This is good. I highly suggest this. This is cool. Wow. You guys did a good job. This is really good. Really good. I think I'm gonna try it like in the morning, like I said, and then 30 minutes before I go to bed. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I feel mad chill right now. This thing works fast, guys. How do you do it? I'm so surprised, like no lie. I wasn't even thinking about like this was gonna take into effect. I didn't even know when. I just felt it. It was a two-step thing. Two-step thing. You feel it, like you feel something happen, like you just feel the switch, and then 2 minutes, like 2 minutes later, boom, there's a blanket. You're just blanketed. Wow. Guys, you really outdid yourself. And it's light, it's airy, It tastes natural. It tastes natural. That's some strong stuff. I'm excited to try this. So this is the face mask. It said to thoroughly cleanse face. For best results, apply toner. I think that means after apply toner, and I have that, so I will be doing that. Tear package and unfold 2-piece mask. Okay. Apply the mask to face and leave on for 20-30 minutes. Remove mask and gently massage remaining serum into face and neck. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this face mask on, and then I'm going to just disappear from the video for a little bit and see how this makes me feel while I'm waiting for the face mask to work its magic, and see how the face mask feels. I'm so excited. So it comes with three face masks. Boom. So I'm gonna open one. Wow, it's nice and moisturized. Look at that. Ooh. Let me take off the glasses. Yeah, and I'm wearing a hat because I read your guys' comments, and none of you, like, not none of you, but like a lot of you do not like my bangs. You guys are adamant that I don't look good with bangs, and now you're making me feel like I don't look good with bangs. Oh, it's a 2-part. So I'm trying to grow out my bangs right now. So let's put the top part on first. Wow. All right. Ooh, it's cold. All right. Let's work this on. Let's work this magic. Work out for me. Work out for me. I feel like I have like Halloween mask. All right. So now I'm gonna put the bottom. All right, the bottom. Oh my gosh. I can't talk. Let's put this one on. This is, I never did a 2-part face mask before. And he's running away from me because I look like a monster. I'm gonna put some of this on my neck. I'm scared. I get like scared about having a double chin. My son be saying you got a double chin, and I'm like, what the heck, man? Can I live? All right. Let's move this on. Let's move this baby on. How do I look? Hello, Clarice. Crazy. This is crazy. You know, I start getting crazy. You know, speaking about crazy, I start getting crazy when I take this stuff. No lie. Like crazy, and like it makes me not like I feel calm. I feel calm and chill. Funny. I don't know. It's crazy. It's good though. I'm not getting no bad side effects. I really feel good. It's like a happiness. Probably look crazy talking with this mask on too, because I don't have much to work with the mouth hole. So I guess you're supposed to relax. Take your CBD. Relax. Lay down. Let this soak good. Feels good. Alright, so how long? 20-30 minutes. So I'm about to lay down and watch some YouTube videos, maybe some TikToks. Hey guys, I have a TikTok, okay? I'll put that in the description box below. I'm gonna start adding that on because I forgot. I have a TikTok and I'm trying to get active and all that stuff. I'm trying to gain the courage to actually dance because I used to dance a lot and I just stopped. So I know it's in there dormant, but you know what I mean? Alright, so I'll be back in 20-30 minutes. Let you know how I feel. Show you the final results. Nice. yeah, so it's been 30 minutes and I was laying down and on my phone, and I was feeling so calm and relaxed. I literally could have just like taken a nap or just went to bed early, but I don't take naps, thank goodness. I've always not liked to take naps since I was like in kindergarten. But yeah, so I'm done. Face mask, so I'm gonna take it off right now. Start with the bottom. All right, and then finish with the top. Okay, it feels really nice. It feels moisturized. And now the next step, let's get under the eyes now. Very softly, very softly. The next step is to rub, gently massage remaining serum into face and neck. Oh my gosh. Feels very moisturized. Oh my gosh. This is very moisturizing. So I was reading up on CBD face masks, and it said it's very good for anti-inflammatory and for like people with red in their skin. And I feel like it did help that, because I don't know why, I think I do get red sometimes. I normally do moisturize. I use like hyaluronic acid and stuff, like serum, and it's not supposed to get you like feeling, I don't even know, it maybe it enhanced my calmness, because I did get more calm. I don't know if it was just from this. So for me to differentiate is just like not take this and just do the mask one day and see how that works. I think I'm going to do that one day because I'm so curious. But it just like is a combo effect. It calms the skin while supporting skin cell renewal, moisturization, brightening, and toning. Okay, let me put on my glasses. And I think I'm moisturized. My face is still like, you know, drying up a little bit. So feels smooth though. Feels nice and moisturized. I feel good. I feel so relaxed right now. Like seriously, if you just like throw a CBD party and you're just like chilling, you guys will be chilling, vibing. I feel really good. I feel very good. I really enjoy the tincture a lot. I really do. I feel so chill right now. I'm chilling. You know, like I said, I could like go to sleep right now and just like relax and stuff, but I got so much stuff to do. I'm just gonna force myself up and drink some of this. Maybe this will counteract it. This apple cider vinegar is supposed to give you energy, so let's take a sip. Cheers. So that's it. I really enjoyed this. I highly recommend Nova CBD. I'm telling you, this thing works quick. And the face mask is nice. My face is smooth. It's bomb. So I want to give a big thank you to Nova CBD for letting me try out your products. I absolutely love them. You did a great job. A+, 2 thumbs up. I loved it. And I'm gonna give some to my mother because I know she'll like it too, because she's experiencing pains of her own, unfortunately. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna help her out. So guys, if you want something that'll be effective and work quick, and like I just said in this video, I highly suggest you just go to novacbd.com, go check out that product. Definitely try this though. This is like main squeeze right here, legit. And that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more videos, subscribe, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.